Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best marine plywood is probably one of the most versatile and durable materials available for various outdoor and marine applications, offering superior resistance to moisture, rot, and decay, making it ideal for demanding projects where longevity and water resistance are critical, from boat building and docks to exterior cladding and furniture. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect marine plywood for your specific needs. Number 5. INTEX 68624 EP Kit. It's quick and easy to attach this motor mount. It's designed for simple installation on compatible INTEX boats. This heavy-duty composite mount provides a sturdy and reliable base for your motor. The aluminum support arms add extra strength and stability. It's built with durable marine plywood and reinforced with strong aluminum support arms. This ensures it can handle the demands of your boating adventures. It's compatible with motors up to 3.0 horsepower. This makes it suitable for a wide range of inflatable boats. You can set it up in minutes. It's designed to be compatible with several INTEX inflatable boats with rear mount fittings. Taking it apart is just as easy as putting it together. This makes storage and transport simple and hassle-free. It's designed and built to the highest safety standards. We offer affordable, innovative products built to last. Our dedicated customer service team is here to help. We're available via phone, chat, or email to answer any questions you may have. What we like. It assembles in minutes and is built to last with heavy-duty materials. Its convenient design makes storage a breeze. If you need a reliable motor mount for your inflatable boat, this is the one for you. What people say. It worked really well and supported the trolling motor. It was easy to assemble and install on the raft. It fits good for the electric motor on the boat. Ben fatto, di facile montaggio e molto resistant. Number 4. KingStarboard Marine Lumber. It's the perfect material for all your marine projects. Its high-density and UV-stabilized polyethylene construction ensure long-lasting durability. This lumber can withstand even the harshest marine environments. It's built to last, season after season. You can trust in its quality and craftsmanship. It's made right here in the USA. It's incredibly strong and resistant to damage. This makes it ideal for demanding marine applications. It's designed to resist the damaging effects of sunlight. This keeps it looking great for years to come. We stand behind our product. Your purchase is protected by our 3-year limited warranty. Choose KingStarboard for your next project and experience the difference. It's the smart choice for marine lumber. What we like. This product boasts superior density and UV protection, ensuring long-lasting performance in harsh marine conditions. It's proudly made in the USA. If you prioritize durability and quality, this is your best choice. Number 3. Taco Marine P10-5024. It's built to withstand even the toughest marine conditions. This lumber is perfect for your next project. It's made from high-density, UV-stabilized polyethylene for superior durability and longevity. You can count on it to last. It resists the damaging effects of the sun. This means it will maintain its strength and appearance for years to come. It's made right here in the USA, ensuring the highest quality and standards. You're getting a superior product. It's ideal for any marine application. It's ready to handle whatever the elements throw at it. It comes in a convenient size, perfect for a variety of projects. It's easy to handle and install. What we like. It's built to withstand harsh marine environments thanks to its high density and UV stabilization. Being made in the USA adds to its quality. If you need a marine-grade material that can handle the elements, consider this. What people say. Remove everything, cut and trim a piece to cover the old holes, and then figure out the new layout. Had enough extra to make a cup holder. Great for any outdoor projects. I have used Taco marine lumber many times to replace rotten marine plywood trim. It can be used in any application where you would use wood. Easy to shape, cut and drill. Perfect material to replace my delaminating tabletop. I put a matching piece of Lexan atop to make a chart holder. Number 2. KingStarboard Marine Lumber. It's the ultimate marine-grade lumber, built to withstand even the harshest conditions. Its high-density and UV-stabilized polyethylene construction ensure years of reliable performance. This lumber is incredibly strong and durable. It's perfect for all your marine projects, from docks to boats. It's designed to withstand salt, sun, and water damage. It won't rot, crack, or splinter like traditional wood. It's made right here in the USA, ensuring high quality and supporting American jobs. You can trust in its superior craftsmanship. We're so confident in its quality that it comes with a 3-year limited warranty. It's a worry-free investment for your marine projects. This beautiful white finish complements any marine environment. It's the perfect choice for both form and function. What we like. This product offers high density and UV protection for long-lasting use in marine environments. It's made in the USA, ensuring quality. If you're looking for a durable, high-quality marine lumber, this is a great option. Number 1. Midwest 5324 Plywood. This is the Midwest 5324 birch plywood, perfect for a variety of projects. It's easy to use and readily available. It's made from high-quality birch wood, ensuring strength and durability. You'll appreciate its smooth finish. With dimensions of 3 8-inch thick, 6 inches wide, and 12 inches long, it's conveniently sized for many applications. It's easy to cut and shape. This plywood is designed for ease of use, making your project simpler. Get started on your next creation today. It's manufactured right here in the United States, supporting American craftsmanship. You can trust its quality. This plywood comes in the versatile color 5324. It's a great choice for any project. What we like. It's simple to use and made from high-quality birch plywood. It's manufactured in the United States. If you are looking for an easy-to-use, American-made plywood, this is a great option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.